Hi people, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to customize our LinkedIn profile URL. Okay, so I have my profile URL here. It says www.linkedin.com /in/ trainer Tamim. Okay, so let me take you to another URL which is not customized. Okay, which has only the default URL that's given by LinkedIn. Okay, he's one of my training partner. Okay, Khalilur Rahman. So you have all this hyphen in between, and you have this numbers, numerals. Okay, so this is slightly long. Okay, and apart from that, I mean, it has more than your name. Okay, so this may not be looked as a professional URL. Okay, so LinkedIn has given us the opportunity or the option to edit this. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. So on your profile, okay, you come to home, click on your profile ID, and you get this page. Okay, so from here you click on this contact info. It will open up a page. Okay, you have this your profile here, it's already done. I'm just showing you how to edit it. Click on this edit button. It will take you to another page or probably another pop-up window, and click on this profile URL here. Okay, so this will open up or take you to another page where you'll have the option to edit your custom URL. Okay, so I click on this. Okay, it will give me an option to edit my name, so I can even change my name now, but since it's already been updated and many people have access to it, and I also mentioned my name to so many people, I'm not going to change this anymore. If it is your ID, and if you have numericals also in your ID, and if you don't like that, and if you don't feel that to be professional, you can change it. Okay, so you can edit it and save it. Probably it will take some time to reflect on your profile. Okay, so for me, I mean, I've not made much changes, so it's just done. Okay, why do we change it? To give a professional look to your profile. Okay, and you want people to understand that you have done some homework on your profile, and you're concerned about your public profile and your professional profile on LinkedIn, and you really care for something. Got it? And it would be easy for you to inform people on how to search for you on LinkedIn. You can ask them, go to LinkedIn and search for trainer Tamim or with your first name, and you can edit your profile picture and your backdrop uh, on which you are focused on. Okay, so all the best. Be more professional. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel that, I mean, this has added some value to you, you can share this so that you can change the you can create an impact for your known people, your friends or your relatives or your colleagues or your classmates. Okay, so do subscribe to the channel, and you can ask me for anything that you may require, and I can do some work around for that and help you with that. Thank you. All the best.